Eastside. So we take care. No only look good on the ground. That body way I'm a them man. Have the own money we not change on. Yeah, kingdom man. Just free over clean. Them can't keep up to speed. I will never have to compete. From our native, you know, stay with here. I forget them. Facial have to keep with a power with them. But IG no, nothing I go so. And any girl we will want really got a cup. Hold up, drinking Hennessy and I'm a mimosa. First catch me on shoulder. Tory birds come on feet, so we'll roll up. Yeah, pretty girl. So only look good for the crowd. That's the way I'm at them man. I've been one money with a church on. Yeah, kingdom man. Just pre over clean. Them can't keep up to speed. I will never have to compete. Sandz! I go by the name of Jada Kingdom, aka Twinkle. What the real Jada Kingdom fans them? They come from my fans them. Everybody else can stay. Jump in next song, take.
Talk up.
And me get money in the cinnamon. Oh, you mean if you're looking at me in the other body? Every time you're booking me, I ask for Mr. Lucky. So you can't talk me, not supposed to go the money. But don't take show off, remember say me and I don't mean you are walk with a steel pipe, now have a dick price. Push it in a me a sucker, keep you have a life, you can come from a place or anywhere. Boy, just pull up on the east side. Yeah, and bring the cocky, make my ride. But can't wait for a fuck to my song one time. You say you love how my flat belly fit me. Pump them tight, you call me TBC. You never know someone want on my tipsy. Come less than train on a quickie. You better don't take it out on 7. You better don't make my shouting on. You better don't take it out on 7. You better don't make my shouting on. You better don't take it out on myself. Now let me shouting on this. Big stroke, my like lightning striking poses. Wet summer soak it, shank pussy choke it. So hot, so fit, almost broke it. Yeah, so me, so active, no acting. Me always ready, you're not fit back fist. Or the last one cocky so massive. You can get my pussy anytime. Cause you are more than my not for lie. I don't know where them say can't change my mind. You say you want put your dick on my lips be. Pum pum tight, you call me TBC. Never know someone go on them a tipsy. You come less than chain and a quickie, yeah. You better don't take it out. One thing I know for sure. Big body man for president. Big cocky man for president. Big cocky man for mayor. Man I ask you, right there sir. And good fuck for sing about. But then I'm like that tonight. I told the sex, give me peace of mind. You know I don't tolerate bad vibes. Man, I must be digmatized. Fully digmatized, cause as I said, good fuck for sing bout. You are expert. Best in the world. Swear I want to love you. Every minute you deserve a baby girl. I know I can fly. As someone for know them words. Me say my head get hot more while. So me glad your body juice quenched there. Just take 12.
Yeah, man.
What my name?
You think so them know?
I feel like them know by now. They wanna eat that crazy.
Let me try them.
Heavy.
Talk up them, we get bad inside here. Somebody talk up, Lord, move my head out. Talk up.
You know I'm heavy, yeah. And them other girls ready. I know you see this bomb.
Got it. Caution sign, cause me will damage your brain. Better brace yourself when the man shake over.
I'll let my body lick me and shake it. You're crazy. You're sick. But the girl them with the boodum there. And it's okay if your body don't be, you can shake your breast. That's okay. That's fine.
Let me try it, man.
I'm about to dance at them day.
Well, I know. So take her.
You want me boom, 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 boom. I can't do that. I can't do that. Hold on. Ease up. We have to do a little smooth dance. We have to do like something like a little step, like a little, you know, we can't do like something like this. And shake me look about this so. This enough. You're not bad like me, I'm blood clot. You're not bad like me, I'm blood clot. Hold on a line. Hold on. You're bad. Hold on. Once again, I go by the name of Jada Kingdom, aka Twinkle. I'm a real bad girl. In a real life, and the next one, and the one before and after that, I'm gonna ask you. And the thing is, bad girl have to know how to fuck. If you cannot fuck, you're not bad. You're not a baddie. So I have to make that clear. Do not call yourself a baddie or a bad girl if you can't sit down on body for long. It's not gonna work out. You have to know to bend over and look at the man and say, Fiddle, my feet like that. You have to time back, let me tell you that. For sitting on my niggle, not take no chat. For you meet your man. Fiddle, my feet like that. You have to time back, let me tell you that. For sitting on my niggle, not take no chat. For you meet your man. Yeah. I start to put my wine and jiggle it for sure. You a little bit say you get crippy. We do anything where you tell me. Walk with a friend, make a cry me now. Start to work for my peers. Tear down the please. Shake it up. Well, you know who me? I be 12 heavy, can't find no jeans. Every time I walk, the place get dizzy. I got man, I don't want nothing to. Who's girl you want out? Cool, pick and choose. I know me alone want up a sweet juice. You are my Dan body like Tom Cruise. Pum pum say hi, cocky say. Just watch me. Skirt and ride up, set it. And let me climb up. Ready? I always a tough. Give it. See with the rope. Shift. It's the twerk for my peers. Tear it up and please. Shake it up. What that start sure. Me I make the pussy people. The girl in our blood clot just move the fuck around. Cocky. Can you hear me? The shake on the place when your teeth done it. Boom. You are shake to the base and I tear down your place. But would I make up your face, lace up your ears, and your nails go for beard. And the cocky of your shake does the same. Level. East. When all of the girl them look good, the girl them look like they want to get take care of. Because the man them make look money now. That's too bad. Bad to blood clot bad. The man them spend look a change down, not true. Me do that same thing me I say. When you want to get us to find one mean man, I say, which part now the man must spend money? If I even married and married for the friend, he might give you. Well, I want to slow it down a little bit. You want my nana? Chop it. Yeah. You you want me? Nah, nah. Nah, get nah. Why am I put nah, nah? You can't get nah, you crazy. Batman love. What? Send that. You must be stupid. So when you go flirt with me, what you doing? When not interested, keep it pushing. Chat to me. What's up?
Don't make my them gas up, cause this is a brand new market.
My front too good for me.
I mean, they all let me too well. You know what I'm like them?
Can't get none, so go to. My rather lay down and sing to myself. Say I win this, I win me a boss man. And I'll be damned if I let you. Hear me level. You're free for carry me out. Give me money and buy my stuff. That's about it, you now go fuck. Get it out your mind, you never love. Hey, you coulda wish for all the stars, but I wanna not fall for you. That's about it, you now go fuck. Level, call it what you want. I don't give one fuck what you think about. Some say the best things in life free, but hold on. Me say, call it what you want. I don't give one fuck what you think about me. Some say the best things in life free, but them not chat about my poop. Frizzy. Go the next blood clot tune. Hiding. I mean, no one do this on my own. Perfect timing. What's up when you been? It's no hiding. Say. What's the one in Palico? Love a girl in the crowd. Some of them marriage Sandz in the seal for the wifey girl. Wifey girl, good pussy girl get ring. Right there. Where's when you're going, Sandz? If me no boy like him want get any type of talk. When you look on the boy and say, like you remember me did warn you about that pussy. I made it tell you this and so. You like your temper, man, you're different and a regular. I would tell you, say, my love, man, it was. Look here, baby, if my tell you, say, you are my first love with you, but me have to give it to you, cause you save me from the. What life would do without you, can't begin to imagine. I'll if you never doubt you, me just feel me, I go love you. Same way. What do I feel like? Like you remember me didn't want about that pussy. I made it tell you this or something you're ready for. But like your temper man you're different and regular. I would tell you say my love man a breast trigger. Look at baby if me tell you say you are my first love but you believe. Me have to give it to you cause you saved me from the streets. What life would be without you can't begin for you. All if you make a do to me just feel me same. Let's get married with the play days. Next 10 years do I with the same place. Now I sell you out this type of love man. Change, respect you to the fullest, I will make you feel no right. I hear what to a level. Fight for you like the Navy, I'm a little soldier. I give you everything I want, boy, you never come and go find in love again. Level. Baby, it is. I'm in love with you. Heart's been racing. I've been waiting just to see you. All I hate is my PX, you captain in charge, my get to work. One no block now. You are my mind, I'm yard, me have to make it. I close my eyes so I can see you in the darkness. Would you love me still, baby, but regardless? How do you have that? Cause baby, it is. What? Heart's been racing. Baby, this that I'm in love with you. I've been waiting, I've been waiting just to see you. Hold on, with the real twinkle fans them there. Me talk about day one supporters, the original Batty from them day there. What them there? that song because this is a long time song. Hold on.
You want to the end. No place like your bed. When I take you for granted.
But tell us I'm ready and you ask when.
Mr. Right now, unfold all the demons in my soul. Go on the ground, my skin right out. Then you force it out in my life. Come on, need some killers.
Ride it out, better give me the lies. Better come and free your mind, no lie. So give it up one. Give me the money, cause they're doing everything I like you must. It's feel too nice, but now we are top level. People love and never let you. You fuck me. So we go more than one. You're too bad for. I don't know where them let you from. So we go more than one road.
You're too bad for me.
Hold on. Never next blood clot one. And them are going like them bumbo clot member things more than nobody bumbo clot else. Them are going them member things more than nobody bumbo clot else. Skilly anyway they pick up a bumbo clot self. Gaza and only east side till my dead, you hear that? Right there, right there. Japan!
East side, east side, east side, east side, east side. In my
bedroom, I never know to love. And no bitch can't drag me up. Not till this bumbo clad there. I hear hip hop, never know grip grab. Yeah, there them girl there. So until then, me the one that's bumbo clad thing. Right there. Crazy. You crazy?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you something, sir. Now me talk to the man them. When the woman say them want 20 grand for them nails or 20 grand for the nails, and at that we want not 15, not 10. So when you come with less, me have to say no, sir. Nah, me I got no time for them energy. Him say Michael, I pray, come here just wind up. And me say me I gonna need a Birkin if you.
Some no, make we have some fun. Sandz, Jamaican, out the door.
east side, east side, east side.
We know you just want my good punani. To them other girl care when you want. You have a vibe and we can't ignore it. I'll bless that you're working for it.
Anytime you're ready, talk on.
Anytime you're ready, girl, just say the word.
Tap check.
Yeah,
We see the
no sir, not me. Me, I got no time for them energy.
My girl.
My girl. Me, I gonna need a Birkin if you want to show me off. You gonna need a Birkin, come on, gonna break your heart.
What?
Me just a picture thing cause that told me off.
Tell me what?
Told me off.
Tell me what?
Told me. Need a real nigga now, not no phony. I want number one girl, me a talk. Let me know that this how we are. Me say make you know say. Hey, me a go pick it up and drop it. Pull it up. Now anyway, they pick up yourself.
easy, man. Out the door, the man. Yes, sir.
Licky, so they come on tease and
You wanna make the miss. Come strut got you. Shut your thinking. Mouth and make a flow clap. Mouth
Juggle,
and get your
juggle,
feeling.
juggle, juggle.
girl, you know what, so Lego that you could have fucked be a general. You want the whole of them. You hold that out, you canal. Stop some food and get a runway. And me say, which girl can say she stress me out? That's a fucking clown. Cause if our man sing, fuck she have to do it out. And if she screw, she get a box one and dirty mouth. But this can't. And up to this day, I still wait for the blood clot box.
Any girl, yeah, all we can't be on some, yeah. She can look for fucking back and this.
And the best one for me, I think so, so you buy it.
See the bad, sir. See the bad one.
Could you make a way of point? I'm going to feel that I'm talking about the woman be born with you. You say you got this small and this is a mama's boy. know say you all done, but mine can't lend. Free for career code pussy must. The man tell me say you never want me no. Right.
It's a time now.
Which girl? Can't say she stress me out.
A time now.
I have a question real quick. For the girl over here, so I wind up herself and I go like, so bad. You have a boyfriend? Yeah, alright, that's enough for you. That's enough for you. Yeah, when I can't get fucked, somebody come grab her right after now. Cause she wind up herself and she not a man. Yeah, he has so much money man boy, yeah. Somebody come pick her up then, no? Hold on, you have a boyfriend? In body big? That develop that out. In body big? Big man for blood clot president. You're crazy. Drop that.
Hold on. Shut Jamaica.
I got some of that. Dash me a cash but pull up.
Easy. Back we start up.
Single what's ya? Sick in your blood clot head. All if you have money and your body small, we not fuck you. I'm sorry.
Jack up louder.
Big body, what's up?
Dash me a cash bad man, no for bro. Crush some weed and light that. Hey, guess who I come for? Pum pum max not carry no bush. Shut up what I mean that me I want. Me a chicken then. Action movie I want star in. You come so much time, put up full of cup. But me no wanna pick me so me no man. And I don't give a fuck if you can't last. Come 3 days, big cocky turn me in a one. You love time and then. Turn in a go after. Where we are work as you can. That's when the pole they go. They nobody clap me. Love funny make me broke out. Make it sorry and just wait. I'ma put on my clothes and level. Try don't fuck with my rent. Act like you got some. With a body like this, so me figure hell. Got here a blessed pussy, free cut. What? Big. Dash me a cash bad. Guess who I come? Tryna what I mean that me am. Put you can't rub it them. Level is a blessing. You see? I can't tell you, say I be a madman in the crowd. Madman in a clean clothes. Madman in a clean blood clot clothes in the bumper clot crowd. Cause most pussy mad them. So they bring you in, you crazy. I put it down on the wrong. We ain't got nothing in. What? I put on good wine, a madman. And now I got good pussy problem.
Sandz, let me sing this out loud. One time.
I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing.
Hold on, bro.
A pum pum good boy and a madman. And now I got good pussy problem. Oh yeah, so with somebody could I want me. Don't send that text when you going regret it in the morning. Yeah, you know, you must stop texting. You must stop calling me. Man, I run me down and I call me too regularly. Tell you don't text it for me. Level. Me never want nobody, just some temper. And no, me never. God know me always just a mind my damn business. Hey, but it's my fault and a theme one. Usually me no give a fuck but my keep. Now him look like idiot, oh gosh. I put it down on the. We ain't got nothing in. But pum pum done good boy in a man. put it down on the. And we ain't got nothing and my good old turn good boy in a madman. And now I got good pussy problem. Son! I go by the name of Jada Kingdom, aka. Thank you guys so much for having me. And want to take a shot for me so we can turn the fuck up. The young girl, let me pick up themselves. One pick up on themselves. Bye.